Hello. In this section on postmodernism, I want to introduce to you a person that you may have never heard of before. His name is Marshall McLuhan, and he was a Canadian thinker. A book that he wrote called Medium, The Medium is the Message, got a lot of acclaim in the 50s and through the 60s. And basically, his idea is that the medium is the message is a phrase that he coined to mean that the form of a medium embeds itself in the message, creating a symbiotic relationship by which the medium influences how the message is perceived, creating a subtle change over time. What happens is that artists and those in the art community use this idea to create what they call a throwaway statement. And this is something that's leading us into postmodernism, a time when basically you, as the consumer, look at all of the various pieces that may or may not fit, and you complete the message for yourself. So the answer might be different for you than it might be for somebody else. And in large part, this is something that was propagated on us by the book "The Medium is the Message" so long ago.